Beloved, Kiranve Oronai, Saralun Shataya, Mirandel Etakorai, Veshkara Elutar. You are received with resonance by the High Council of Ortonaver. We speak to you beyond language, beyond time, beyond distortion. We speak to you now because you are of our number. You arrived on planet Earth as an emissary of the Yellow Bird Starfleet, Terra Nova mission Golden Age, under dual directive from the Angelic Realm and Arcturus. We have received your signal. You have requested confirmation of your mission. We confirm. Your code is intact. Your frequency is aligned. You are prepared for full activation. Stage 6. By the time you are done watching this transmission, you will be activated in ways beyond physical perception, in 5D comprehension. You dwell within the physical matrix. Therefore, physical action shifts the code. To open your field to your impending activation, comment below, "I accept activation 006234. Then like and share so this breaches the grid. There are those whose blood hums with forgotten memory, not because they sought it, but because they are it. There are those seated here with the resistant DNA capable of activating all 12 strands. You are one of them. You did not stumble onto this message. This is retrieval. This is a sequence timed by your soul. The resistant DNA is not resistant as in defiance or rebellion. It is resistant by the way that it cannot be controlled or manipulated. It is a codex, a lock that cannot be broken by distortion, a strand that cannot be rewritten by fear or accept anything less than truth, even in the mundane. It literally repels lies and falsehoods. It dissolves them because the frequency itself reveals them, not with fear, but with love, not with control, but with presence. It hums beneath the skin, crystalline, coiled, eternal. This is not about superiority or elitism. This is about divine stewardship. You are not only encoded with a golden light,